Good morning, students. Welcome back to Physical Education Classroom once again. Today I will start chapter 3, body types. First, classification of the body types. As a matter of fact, body types vary from person to person. Some may be tall, some may be short, some slim or round in shape. The fact is that there are a variety of body types. The physical makeup of one's body is called their body type. So external and outer structure of any individual that looks like a physical makeup of any body, that is known as their body type. Different lifestyle, level of fitness, diet and genetic factors all contributed to this. So basically, to maintain any kind of body types, there are some conditions or factors. These are different lifestyle, level of fitness, diet and genetic factors. The knowledge of body types is significant in the field of games and sports because it is related to the success of an athlete or sportsman along with the athletic ability. So if we have a great knowledge about our particular body shapes, we can easily inherit the games or sport because it is related to the success of an athlete or sportsman ability. W.H. Sheldon classified personality of individuals into the following categories. They are endomorph, mesomorph, and ectomorphs. So normally body types are three types. They are endomorphs, mesomorph, and ectomorph. Now endomorph. These individuals have short arms and legs. So normally any person who possesses short arms and legs, they belongs from endomorph body type. They have rounded physique. Physique look like a short rounded. Their limbs seem to be shorter because of excessive deposit of adipose tissue. The upper parts of arm and legs are significantly thicker than the lower parts. So upper part of the body significantly thicker than the lower parts. It is hard for them to lose their weight. They have soft body. They have underdeveloped muscle. Their muscle are not properly developed. That's why they look like thin as from uppermost side. They have a capacity for a high fat storage and become fat easily. बहुत जल्दी लोग fatty हो जाता है, मतलब they possess obesity. In fact, they are more inclined to become obese. They have a pear-shaped structure. Their excessive mass hinders their ability to compete in sports. In fact, sports require a high level of agility or speed. Sports and games which require strength such as weightlifting and powerlifting are suitable for the endomorphs. So which individual or person belong from endomorphs, they can easily catch out the particular field of sports. These are weightlifting and powerlifting. Now mesomorph. Mesomorph are categorized as in between the other two body types and are generally described as muscular. They have athletic physique and balanced body composition. They are able to increase their muscle size quickly and easily. So this type of body type who have possessed the particular physique, they can easily increase their muscle size. They have well-developed rectangular shape structure. They have thick bones and muscles. Their chest and shoulders are larger and broader in comparison to their waistline. So normally, waist region से their shoulder region and chest region are quite larger. They are physically capable of doing a lot of activities and tend to be athletically aggressive. Generally, they store fat evenly all over their bodies. So as compared to endomorph, mesomorph, which are able to store the fat all over of the body parts, but they can become overweight if they lead sedentary lifestyle and take high calorie diet. So इस लाइन को अंडरलाइन करना. They become obese if they maintain sedentary lifestyle and take high calorie diet. They can excel in such sports which require great strength. So they can choose easily which type of sports which require great strength, short burst of energy and lots of power, as they have enough strength, agility and speed. These characteristics make them short contenders and be top sports persons in any sports like running, swimming, etc. The last one is ectomorph. The individuals who have an ectomorph body are usually referred to as slim person because their muscle and limbs are elongated. मतलब normally those who are belong from ectomorph, they are slim and their limbs are elongated. They have weak constitution of body and usually face great difficulties in the gaining weight. Though they are not able to gain particular body weight, they have flat chest and has less muscle mass. मतलब मसल का पर्टिकुलर वेट जो होना चाहिए उतना वेट नहीं होता है. The lack of muscle mass creates the impression that they are taller than they really are. मतलब इस दौरान वो देखने में बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा लगता है जितना होना चाहिए. They do not have a lot of strength, but they dominate the endurance sports. Though they have a lot of strength, but they are not fit for any particular sports because their body type is naturally suited for the perform wonderfully in the endurance activities. They have a quick metabolism to burn fat. मतलब they possess a quick metabolism process by which they can easily burn their excessive fat which they intake. They also have a tendency to stick with what they do best. मतलब इस दौरान बॉडी टाइप जिन लोगों के पास है, they have a particular tendency to stick any particular sports. What kind do they best? Their light body constitution makes them suited for the aerobic activities like gymnastic. So student, I hope all of you understood what I've discussed in this video. So for today, up to this portion.